So she is under the guidance of legendary producer and songwriter Tony C.G. Kelly, who's been instrumental in creating hits for many popular reggae and dancehall artists. I won't even get into the list because it's just too many to mention. This young lady, Jamaican born, London bred, she's found her way back home. Her name is Khalia. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. Welcome back.
Thank
you were here before, right?
I mean, I was born in Jamaica, so, you know, always going back and forth for holidays and stuff like that. Yeah. And then I'm here now.
You left here when you were 6?
6, yeah.
You were born in Westmoreland?
Westmoreland, yeah, okay. In the countryside.
Oh, but that pathway is very good.
I mean, we can't lose it.
I mean, girl, you got people who go out to the roundabout and their accent change.
No, sir.
So I have to be impressed with what's going on with this. Tell me about your foray into music. When did that start?
Well, I've always wanted to sing, and I started recording music when I was 15, but I didn't meet Tony Kelly until 2-3 years ago.
Yeah.
And then he signed me to his label, and so we've been working together, you know, professionally and putting out music ever since.
A lot of things have happened in the last 3 years for you.
Yeah.
You met Shaggy in 2016.
Yes.
Was that like where everything took off?
Yeah, so Shaggy actually introduced me to Tony Kelly.
Right.
And I never thought that me even speaking to Shaggy and saying, here's my music, sending it to him would get anywhere. And yeah, here I am. So it's been amazing.
The day you met Tony is the day you recorded with Tony?
Yeah, the first time I went into the studio.
No pressure.
Yeah, I know. He was like, let's, because I think he's the type of person, he wants to hear you live. I had music and that I had recorded before, and he was like, he listened to it and he was like, let's try and record something here and now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How was that?
It was, we have not released that song. I don't think we ever will. But it was enough to impress him to say, you know what, we want to, you know, he wants to sign me to the label.
And what is it like working with Tony Kelly? I mean...
It's a learning experience, you know, it's a lot of fun. Obviously, he's legendary.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But so laid back, eh? It's
yeah,
like, you know,
very, very laid back.
Yeah.
So he doesn't make me feel like pressured or anything like that. But definitely, I've learned so much, and I'm ever grateful.
So tell me what's going on now. You've done some collabs already. You've recorded with iOctane.
Yes.
Who are some of the other folks you've worked with?
Tifa, my first song that I released.
Busy.
Busy Signal with Bada. Stone Boy, I have 2 songs with Stone Boy. And I might be forgetting, but you can always check them out. You know, all my videos and everything is on YouTube. If you type Khalia, Khalia.
Khalia. It's Khalia, not Khalia.
Not Khalia, not Khalia.
Yeah. Right? Okay, just get it right. So that's where we find you. And what is next for you? Why are you in Jamaica now?
So I live here.
You live here now?
I reside here. Yeah, I came to record music for like 6 months when I first got signed, and I was only supposed to stay for 6 months to do that. And you know, the island just take you away and sweep you back home. So yeah, I'm loving it.
Yeah.
And yeah, we have put out Easy Now. It's my new song that I performed earlier. And so yeah, we're just putting the work still. And
good girl. All right. So what do you expect from you now? What are you singing for us now?
Designer.
All right.
Yes.
So I'm gonna go over there.
Yes.
You're gonna
Enjoy.
Do your bit here. Khalia, everybody.
Thank you.
We don't need yeah.